Sfouf is a Lebanese semolina cake flavored with turmeric and sesame paste. It is a delicious dessert, yet it is so simple, fast and easy. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of really fine semolina, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of milk powder, and a small pinch of salt. Whisk all the dry ingredients together, and then you can start adding the liquids. A 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 1/4 cup of hot water. The water must be very hot. Again, whisk all the ingredients together and leave them aside for the semolina to rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven for 180 degrees. Brush your baking pan with 1 tablespoon of tahini or sesame paste. Then add the sfouf mixture to the baking pan. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top, and you can also use other types of nuts like almonds and pine nuts. Now bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes or until it's browned and ready to be enjoyed. Wait until it's cold, then you can cut it in small pieces and serve it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.